an association for a long time which got carried into it, and I read the script and I was very, intrigued, and I found it very interesting and challenging at the same time. So I went for it, and somewhere, I was able to shed off that stout persona of an ACP and become a boy who comes from a very low strata of society, who's got a lot of complexes about coming from there. And then, of course, I'm falling in love with a royal woman giving you so much attention, so going mad about that. So I think for me it was a real pleasure to do this role.
Absolutely. Okay, now Randeep has made a point that he wants to do different roles, but a lot of people, when we ask them, like I was having a word with my friends, and they say that you're someone who's actually dared to do some of the most boldest roles in some of the movies that you've done. Of course, Dev D was one of the most boldest movies. Your role was very different. You also got an acclaim for it, an award for it. What is it that you're so attracted to such bold movies? And you have a couple of bold kissing scenes as well with Randeep and Jimmy, if I believe, right?
I don't know, why people have started, saying this thing that I'm a bold actor. I don't think so, because whatever films I'm doing, the content of the films is really very strong. There's performance, the performance-oriented roles that I've been doing, and if there are 2 or 3 scenes or whatever, small scenes in a film, so I don't think one should actually tag me as a bold actor. But other than that, yes, I go for scripts that are very strong in content, and I like to work with directors who are very intelligent in the sense like Anurag Kashyap, be it Tigmanshu Dhulia or Ramu sir. I think I'm lucky that way. So my scripts are really always very interesting.
Right. Yeah. Let me ask Tigmanshu. Tigmanshu, of course, now if I ask you that are you happy with your cast, you're going to say yes because you put your heart and soul into the movie. But tell me, when you're writing a script, do you not at all have someone perhaps in mind who you think will do justice to that particular role, or as you were telling me, how you work backwards as far as this film was concerned?
No, usually I do have the person in mind, the actor in mind when I write my script. This was a complete an exception when I work backwards. But yes, I do have the person in mind when I write this script, especially when the script is at its dialogue stage.
Okay. All right. Now, Jimmy, I've been getting requests. My director, she actually thinks that you both are looking really hot, but she wants to actually see you without the glasses as well. So if you can just take off your glasses for 2 seconds and talk to our viewers, or you refuse to do that because it's a part of your look.
Well, I would want to believe the latter, a part of my look.
Okay, and also now I've been wanting to ask you for a long time, what is one special thing that you guys have done for this particular film? Because you have this mustache. Now, at what point in time was this conceptualized? And I'm sure you're having a hard time maintaining that look before 30th of September. That's when your film hits theaters.
Yeah, it was decided at that point of time when I said yes to it, and Tigmanshu said that I want you to grow a mustache, and I said okay, fine. There was no discussion beyond that. The only thing was that he wanted it to be upwards like that, like a proper side.
So have you got this habit now, continuously?
Yeah, it's definitely become a habit, and secondly, it's damn difficult maintaining it. I think it's more difficult than maintaining long hair, because each time you have to put it up like that, and after some time one of them just goes down, so it's damn irritating at times. But yes, this was something that was done for the film.
Okay, and what about your upcoming projects? Last time we saw you do a small cameo in My Name is Khan. What next?
No, after that there was Tanu Weds Manu, there was Game, and my Punjabi film Dharti. And this is going to be my 4th release this year. Post that. Yeah.
So,
and future projects, I'm starting off with Vikram Bhatt's Dangerous-ish in a few days now, towards the end of the month.
Best of luck for that. And Mahi, what about you? What are your plans now? This film hits theatres on the 30th of September. I'm sure you would be busy with other projects.
Yeah. I have got 3 films lined up for release. One is Michael, which has gone for the Toronto Film Festival, and then there is Pan Singh Tomar again with Ishusa, and after that it's Buddha and a Traffic
Who's paired opposite you in
Pan Singh? It's Irfan Khan.
Irfan Khan.
Yeah. Michael
this is your first film with him?
With Irfan?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so how's it working with him?
Great. He's a He's a very good actor.
And when can we look forward to the release?
I think
of
it's releasing somewhere in March. Sometime in
Tigmanshu
March.
just said right now in the interview that it's
Because
releasing on the 9th of March.
Okay.
9th of March.
So this is my second film with Rishi sir.
Okay, and Randeep, what about you? Very quickly, upcoming projects, what can viewers, your fans expect from you?
My next release, probably after Sahib Biwi or Gangster, would most probably be Rang Rasiya, which has been looking for a release for a long time, but it's a very courageous film to release, so and dubbed in many languages, so it needs a whole worldwide release. And in October, I go on to shoot Jannat 2, produced by Mahesh Bhatt and directed by Kunal Deshmukh, with me, Imran and Prachi, which is a very interesting script, and it's based in Delhi, so I'll be in Delhi most of October, November.
Okay, that's great. I mean, a lot of you are going to be busy now. Also, just before we wrap up, and I'm going to go to Tigmanshu for a last comment, but any scene that you guys can, think of on your tips which involves all three of you, perhaps just a one-liner from all three of you? Randeep?
I think the dialogue in the movie is very interesting, even in very serious, dramatic
So can you
scenes.
say one for our viewers?
Yeah, there is a Haryanvi kind of a line which I say in the movie, which is, the Biwi asks him, ki, are you vegetarian ho ya non-vegetarian? So he says, I am mockatarian. He says, matlab, bola ji jo mauka aata kha leta.
Okay.
Very interesting dialogues. Okay, there's this one which is like, यहाँ जो भी करना तमीज से करना, यहाँ बदतमीजी भी तमीज से की जाती है.
Okay. Jimmy, one from you.
I would say a line from the promos only that Sahib says that मैं शिकायत करूंगा भी नहीं. गलती हुई तो 250 रुपए में नाम रोशन हो जाएगा तुम्हारा.
Very interesting. Okay, just before I wrap up, Tigmanshu, a lot of viewers very intrigued by the trailer of this upcoming film. If you had to say a word, a message for viewers to come and watch the movie in theatres on the 30th of September, what would you say to your viewers?
Especially to all the male viewers, I would like to tell them that the only message through this film is please never try and underestimate a woman. You can never understand a woman. She's the biggest, greatest mystery God has ever created.
Even after watching the movie, they won't be able to understand.
No.
They'll get even more confused.
All right, so if I can make a final request, we are just wrapping up our show. The Jugni song, would you guys sing it?
He sings
If I
really
sang
well.
Well,
it, Jimmy?
she sings really well. I'm not
Come on,
one
now
of
be
those people who
sporty.
I never waste.
Two against one. So she has to say.
Mahi.
Okay. जुगनी दम साहिब दा परदी परे प्यार यार नु कर दी आयो लोको किसी तो नहीं डर दी आयो जुगनी. I'm pathetic. I'm so
Okay,
sorry.
the Jugni song from the Jugni herself. Thanks so much for joining us today and giving your views about your latest movie. So guys, do catch this film on the 30th of September, Sahib, Biwi or Gangster. It's bye from me in the studios.
अगर तुमसे कुछ मांगे दे सकोगे हमें?
साहिब का वफादार बन जाता हूँ और आपका आप साहिब.
साहिब दा परदी पर ए प्यार यार नु कर दिए साहिब दा परदी को नहीं गुलामी कर दी को भर दे.
चल सबके सब कहानी बनने वाले हैं. एक था राजा, एक थी रानी.
This weekend, we'll have well-known Bharatanatyam dancer Pratibha Pillad on our tour. Pratibha, you've been balancing a very bright career as a Bharatanatyam dancer with several controversies surrounding your career and personal life. We're going to ask you some straight questions. We hope you'll be frank about them.
Well, I hope people will get to know the difference between myth and reality when they take a peek into my life. I mean, I don't know.
We look forward to it.
Thanks.
Watch Art Talk at these times on NewsX.
Is brought to you by Save the Children.
Race, win, take off, arrive, check in, dress up, step out.
Lose yourself, win hearts, break some, indulge, make friends, crash out, wake up, gear up, team up. Watch your heroes, meet your idols, scream out loud. Live the weekend of your life.
Log on to the all-new newsx.com for the widest and latest news coverage from the nation, world, business, sports and entertainment. Watch the news live as it breaks on our high-quality live channel streaming. Share your views, be a part of NewsX's ever-growing community on Facebook and Twitter. Connect, converse, interact. newsx.com.
है अपना दिल तो आवारा न जाने किस के आएगा चुप है धरती चुप है चांद सितारे मेरे दिल की धड़कन तुझको पुकारे
Watch Flashback Hemant Kumar special at these times on NewsX.
Brought to you by Idea. India busy on Idea 3G.
No one talks cricket like he does.
The BCCI or some faction within the BCCI who become very strong wanted to snub Sharad Pawar, who is the president of the ICC.
The Silver Fox, Ayaz Memon. Watch him debate the biggest cricket stories, the good, the bad and the ugly of our favourite sport, with the best voices in the world of cricket. Don't miss Cricket Wala, only on NewsX.
TV channels are always telling you what they think. Only NewsX wants to hear what you have to say.
We have a call on the line from Bangalore. Yes.
Convey my message to the Prime Minister. Do not play game with the general people.
Go ahead, give us your viewpoint.
Our forefathers were slaves of Britishers and we are slaves of today's politicians.
Join our viewer call-in show.
We're waiting for your calls. We want to know what you think.
Speak Out India. Weekdays at 8:30 p.m. Only on NewsX.
Crossing continents to events that have shaped your world.
No matter what some agency may say, we've always been and always will be a AAA country.
Coming to you every weekend from Singapore, London and New Delhi. Wrapping up the week in 30 minutes. The world at this time on NewsX.
Calls for an instant intervention by the CBI to investigate Mr. Chidambaram's role in the 2G spectrum scam.
कांग्रेस पार्टी श्री चिदम्बरम की इंटेग्रिटी पे कोई संदेह नहीं करती है.
Congress defends Chidambaram, accuses BJP of jumping to conclusion over 2G with its demand for the Home Ministers. Finance Minister Pranab Mukherjee and the Prime Minister are in the US. Pranab refuses to comment on Chidambaram, says the 2G matter is a sub judice. And the DMK claims a vindication for A. Raja after the fresh revelations pointing to Chidambaram's alleged role in the scam. Good afternoon, you're watching NewsX at 3 p.m. I'm Akshay Tandon. That's the big story of this hour. Apart from that, here are the other headlines. NIA links the Kishtwar mail to Delhi blast, sends one of the three arrested youth, Amir Abbas, to police custody for further questioning. We'll get you all the details.
Financial position of the state, they have enough cash
and I've instructed them to go ahead and spend the money.
Chidambaram condoles quake victims as death toll mounts to 112, announces 50 crore rupees in relief as rescue operations begin. Mangal.